No, or that's not how it goes. So one pirate went up to the other pirate and be asking, why do you be having a helmet in your pants? And the other one's like, I don't know, but it'd be driving me nuts.
Now you have to tell the C one. Do it. You tell it to him again. I'm sure he wants to hear it.
Just ambush me next time and I tell somebody else.
I can't do that. Just say it.
Why?
Say it to my hand.
That I don't talk to my hand.
Let's creep on other people. How about Dave?
You're just videotaping.
No one wants your opinion.
Too bad. You're gonna get my opinion. Get that camera out of my face. Problems today?
More than normal.
Fine. Tell the joke. I want to hear the joke again. I don't remember it. It's out of my head. Is his favorite letter P? P?
Wait,
Is it pirate?
so you know his favorite letter from
It's definitely P.
Why would it be P?
Pirate. Ha. Ha ha ha.
So, what do you be calling 3.14% to a sailor? It'd be a pirate.
Wow, that one's corny.
Tell it to that guy. He wants to hear it.
Hey, you want to hear a pirate joke? So, what be a pirate's favorite letter? I think it'd be R, but it'd be the C.
Yay!